Today we're gonna cook steak sandwiches with chimichurri. It's gonna be fun. The weather's kind of bad, but it's comfort food. I think it should be good. Let's check it out. Okay, we're gonna start off with a clean surface. Get rid of some of these stems. We're gonna use parsley, Italian kind, red wine vinegar, pre-minced garlic, olive oil, and red onion. I'm gonna take this, put it in a bowl. This is where you're gonna make chimichurri. A bit of garlic. You might want to eyeball it. A little bit of red wine vinegar. Now we guys do our onion. We're gonna add the onion to our bowl. Then we're gonna add our olive oil. Some kosher salt. Now we're going to prepare our tri-tip steaks. So usually I like to use flat meat, but I figured I'd do something a little different today. Now you see these have a fat cap on the backs. We're trying to make sandwiches. I know sometimes you get some pretty good rendered fat flavor through these, but for the sake of today's video, we're just gonna cut the fat off because we're gonna slice these up. We're gonna make it for sandwiches. Alright, so now it's assembly time. What I do is when I grab steak, you should always cut against the grain, not with it, because it'll make for a more tender plate. We're going to get a little bit of olive oil. Gonna run it on our bread. And lay them out on the grill. You're going to want to use half a garlic clove. We're going to make our own garlic bread. This is way better than using the powder. Look at that. Well, there you have it, folks. Life's always going to be easy and delicious with the Brand-Man barbecue. Always make your mark, because this one always does. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Brand-Man Grills. Make your mark.